Hello and welcome to my channel. On this tutorial you will learn how to make friends on the first day of school. Part 1. Finding someone to talk to. Don't worry about it if you're nervous on the first day. You're not the only one. Look around for someone else who's on their own. They might be in need of a friend, too. Try going up and sitting next to someone who's eating on their own during lunch. This will be easier than going up to a large group of people. Keep your eyes open for someone who is reading a book you like or wearing a t-shirt with a character from your favorite movie or TV show. If someone is interested in the same things you like, you'll probably have a lot to talk about right away. If you see someone who seems to share interests with you, go up and start talking to them. Start by complimenting their shirt, backpack, or whatever else caught your eye. Then, ask them questions about their favorite character, episode, or movie. If you see someone with a Harry Potter t-shirt, for example, you could say, "I like your shirt. Are you a Harry Potter fan, too? Which is your favorite book?" If you're already friends with someone at your school, hang out with them and their friends. It's easier to meet new friends if there's someone to introduce you. Ask your friend to introduce you to at least one other person on your first day. Clubs and sports teams are great places to meet people who have the same interests as you. If you like soccer, sign up with a soccer team. If you like anime, look for an anime club. Ask your teachers and other students about any clubs or teams at your school. Part 2. Starting a conversation. Keep a smile on your face so that your classmates feel comfortable talking to you. Make eye contact with others and wave. Assume a confident posture and bright attitude. Try to avoid wearing earphones during your first day of school. While listening to music, an audiobook, or podcast may help you feel relaxed, people may be more hesitant to approach you because they won't want to disturb you. Keep your phone and other devices at home or in your bag. If you're looking down at a screen, you may miss a chance to make a new friend. Starting a conversation with someone is the first step in making a new friend. To start chatting, ask a simple, basic question to break the ice. Then, follow up that question with other questions. You can even prepare and practice these questions before your first day of school. After a science class, for example, you could ask the person sitting next to you, "How did you like the first lesson?" Or, if you see someone reading a book, you could ask them, "What book are you reading?" If you're not sure where to find a classroom or the cafeteria, ask someone for directions and then say, "Thanks," and introduce yourself. If you're nervous about speaking to other people, try practicing these conversation starters in front of a mirror. Once you've struck up a conversation with one of your classmates, ask questions that will allow the conversation to continue. Avoid asking simple questions that can be answered with a "yes" or a "no," or a single word or short phrase. For example, ask, "How was your summer?" instead of, "Did you have a good summer?" Listen closely to the other person's answers and ask questions based on what they tell you. Complimenting someone's hairstyle or outfit is a great way to break the ice and strike up a conversation. It will also make your classmate feel less nervous on their first day of school and give them a positive first impression of you. Try to follow up your compliment with a question that will keep the conversation going. After complimenting someone's bag, for example, you could ask, "Where did you get it?" Try to avoid giving someone a false compliment. If you don't like someone's shoes, try not to tell them that you do. It's probably not a good idea to start a friendship with a lie. Part 3. Boosting your confidence. When you feel comfortable, you'll feel more like yourself. This will make you more confident, which will help give you the courage to start talking to others. Don't try to wear trendy clothes or stylish shoes if they don't make you feel comfortable. Wearing clothes that you're not comfortable in will just make you even more nervous on your first day. Wearing clothes you like will also draw the attention of people who like the same style of clothes. Acting like you're comfortable in your own skin can actually make you feel and appear more at ease. To act confident, stand up straight, smile, and try to make eye contact with other people. Or, try acting like someone who seems self-assured. Try to focus on things that are happening around you instead of yourself. This will also help you feel less self-conscious and more confident. Showing someone else kindness or helping them can make you feel better about yourself. Doing a bunch of small acts of kindness will help build your self-confidence. For example, try to give a compliment to at least one person on your first day of school. Helping someone pick up something they've dropped can also give you an opening to make friends. Smile and introduce yourself as you hand the item back to them. Making eye contact and smiling at someone is another great way to spread positivity. The first day is nerve-wracking for everyone. Everyone will be anxious and busy learning their new schedules. Many people will be too nervous to start talking to others. Stay patient and try to make friends on the second or third day of school. The tutorial of how to make friends on the first day of school has ended here. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. See you next time.